within the 3 days.
नहीं, within 3 days नहीं, you will do it today. आप नहीं कर पाए, आपका तो नाम गया था हाईकोर्ट जज बनने के लिए, आप अगर इतना नहीं समझ पाए तो फिर
Lordship, his time, Lordship, to amend the, to incorporate the amendment, Lordship.
What amendment?
First title, for bringing the legal heirs on record.
कब अमेंडमेंट अलाउ हुआ था?
6th January, Lordship.
फिर उसके बाद 1 महीना हो गया, आप कर नहीं पाई।
Apologize, Lordship, because I.
क्या स्टे है आपके पक्ष में? स्टे होगा, इसीलिए तो नहीं कर पाए।
Lordship, I could not understand the.
अरे आप नहीं कर पाए, आपका तो नाम गया था हाईकोर्ट जज बनने के लिए, आप अगर इतना नहीं समझ पाए तो फिर
I apologize, Lordship. I just 3 days time, Lordship.
You are putting the wisdom of the collegium which recommended you to test किएगा। इतना सीनियर अधिवक्ता ये नहीं जानता कि उसे क्या करना है, स्टे वैकेट कर देते हैं, आपको आराम से टाइम दे देते हैं।
Within the 3 days.
नहीं, within 3 days नहीं, you will do it today and time and we are hearing you। बताइए क्या मैटर है? There will be no adjournment.
Actually, I am not.
Sorry.
On this.
If you are not ready,
it will be taken the next tomorrow, Lordship.
नहीं, एक केस की लिस्ट।
I will amend the cost title. Tomorrow it will be taken.
You will amend the cost title today and you will argue today. Otherwise, stay shall stand vacated. This tendency of the council to linger on the litigation is not appreciated.
I was of the impression that
You may be under any impression.
was not complied, Lordship. That is what.
You did not. You deliberately did not comply with the order. I'll grant you time on cost. लिखिएगा.
For that, Lordship.
Dated order dated Miss Neelam Goyal for the petitioner.
It will be taken.
Order dated 6/1/25 has not been complied with till date. Full stop. This is a serious matter that court orders are not complied within time. Full stop.
It will be kept at court of Lordship. I will argue the matter.
नहीं।
Today only, Lordship. I will argue the
नहीं,
matter.
4 o'clock का टाइम नहीं है, लिखिएगा। Subject to payment of cost of ₹5,000.
Lordship, today I am ready to argue the matter at 4 o'clock, Lordship.
If you are arguing it right now, we'll hear you. Otherwise, no. लिखिएगा 5,000 to be deposited in High Court Legal Services Authority.
Lordship.
Day's time is granted to carry out the amendment. List this case on 19 फरवरी 2025। चलिए नेक्स्ट केस।